Greetings. Lately, OpenClaw has been all the rage. It's this autonomous agent that can run all aspects of any enterprise and business, a charitable enterprise. So of course, I'm intensely interested. How could this work for my hedge fund or my advocacy efforts to bring my son home from Russia? So we had to try it out. It requires an isolated computer for security reasons, or virtual computer. We actually bought a separate computer. Real careful attention to security and a lot of setup. Like all AI projects, even if the computer do everything, it took 3 of us all day to set it up so far. It's going to have its own phone number, its own socials, and we set up its own company. It's this Indo Jack coffee company with an actual product. So again, it had to be isolated from everything real, but maybe some wonderful things will happen. Here's a little video about how it's working so far.
Hello. While our primary focus is marketing our hedge fund, we are currently running a pure experiment to master a powerful tool called OpenClaw. Because this system is a potential security nightmare, we are keeping it in its cage. We've set up an entirely isolated company and computer environment, completely disconnected from any data or business that could harm us or our existing customers. The logic is simple. If an autonomous agent can truly handle marketing and operations, we eventually won't be able to afford not to use it in every aspect of our business. However, an unmonitored AI can also become a doomsday device that destroys a company's reputation in hours. That is why we are testing its behavior here first in total isolation. Getting the system live wasn't easy. We successfully connected to OpenAI, but we quickly ran into issues with the command prompt interface and needed expert intervention to navigate the setup. From resolving Google Cloud Console access to debating which accounts offered the best API quotas, our team, Aneep Tandel and Eric Moladan, had to use remote access via AnyDesk to push the configuration forward. We've named this specific instance Indo Jack. Our objective? Use this AI persona to drive $1 million in new coffee orders through organic marketing and social media crawling. We are moving away from traditional ads using a dedicated US phone number and new professional accounts to let Indo Jack find and network with coffee lovers autonomously. Can we control the agent, or will the doomsday risks outweigh the rewards? Stay tuned for part 2 to see our first marketing efforts with Indo Jack.